Hello guys, today I'm showing you how to make a Google Slides. First, either download the Slides app if you have it, or if you have it, you can just go on the app. But if you don't have it, you can either download it or go on the web slides.google.com. Now, once you enter slides, you hit blank, which is the plus sign. Now that you have your new slide, you can do all the stuff with it. Like, click the add title. You can add title. Okay, now if you're like, I don't like the font of this, you can highlight it. Then you can highlight it. Then you can change the font to whatever you want. You can also move the border around if you want, but it's also a really good idea. Now you're like, I don't really like the border color. You can click on it and hit border color. You can change the border color and stuff. So now that you've changed the border color and stuff, you can change the theme if you want. Anything, any theme. Hey, if you like, I don't like the color of this, you can go to, you can X out of here, then you hit the paint can. That's weird. Yeah, but I don't really want to change color. I'll just show you. You select a border, then you hit the paint can. Now to create a new slide, hit the plus or Control M. Well, if you want to have a new slide with a layout, you click on that little pointer thing next to the plus, and there's no hotkey for this, only for a new slide. So you can make a new slide. Now, come up like this. And then you accidentally hit base back, and you're like, no, just hit new slide. Whatever. Robot, and you like want Roboto, you can go to Oswald or whatever slide you pick. I mean, font you pick, and you can take whatever you want. Like, yeah, I know I already showed you this. Can rename it Google Slide 2020. Now you can hit this slides icon to go back to slides home. Also, I didn't mention this. If you want the text bold, you can hit bold or Control B. Make that bold. Okay. Now hit so I forgot to make that bold. They're coming at 2.
No. They aren't here.
No, bebitos. How do you say baby in Spanish?
In Spanish, you would say bebé.
Bebé.
Bebé. Papito.
Okay, Google. What does bebito mean in Spanish?
Bebito is Spanish for baby.
Well, both of them are. Bebé, bebito. Somebody's here. Sì, tu bebito sta aquí, sì. Sì.
这个不看着。
So let me get back.
In Spanish, you would say law enacted in its feminine form and law enacted in its masculine.
So this is from 1 to 5.
What paper?
The one at the very, very end. Not the new ones behind us, but the ones on the other side.
Really?
Okay, so you can read all this.
Or the white. Cancer, stage 4.
So,
I was seeing there was like a bunch of.
so when you read this, you can pause the video and read this. Now end the video at 12 at 12 minutes.